Welcome to our shanty. All right, we giving a tour today?
We are giving the people what they want.
Why are you holding that dog so closely?
Because we don't want him to run away.
Oh.
We've had a couple scares.
We have some squirrels in our trees that he likes to chase, and
A little too close to the road.
a little too close to the freeway. All right, so you want to put him in the house? We'll walk through the outside of the house.
Come on in.
Okay. So, well, first of all, we got, do this slow.
This is my favorite.
What is this?
My favorite light fixture of the house.
Okay.
And I've gotten the most hate, but I don't care.
Well, okay, story.
Most hate for this light fixture, but I don't care.
Yeah, but I want a story.
Well, the pineapple is a sign of hospitality.
Okay.
And of course, we're very hospitable here at the Pineapple Palace.
Oh, are we calling it that instead of Clown House?
I'm seeing if it will stick, but I'm not thinking that it's going to as much as Clown House.
And the contractor who put that pineapple light in for you, who renovated this house, what'd he say about it?
He gave me a lot of shade. He said that he puts these in 14-year-old girls' rooms. That's fine. I still like it, and I think it's cute. So,
Okay.
You know what?
So, front of the house looks really cute. You got cedar siding.
Beams that, again, I got so much hate for, and my shutters, and they look good.
They look fabulous. What's that?
I don't want to talk about that. We had a little bit of a plumbing issue.
We had a plumbing issue. We'll get to that later.
$2,600 later. I think that we can now run the laundry machine without water spitting out of the toilet.
Problem was we had kind of not a blockage, but it was like really tight in the pipes, and we had to widen it out and clean it out. And so when you ran the washing machine, our bathroom or toilet turned into a bidet.
It was great.
Yeah.
Meant to be.
It splashed you.
All right.
Okay.
The moment of truth.
Stay inside. Okay.
This is the entryway / dining room.
Okay, so I'm just gonna slowly circle around.
So this is my table that it'll be kind of functional because obviously we have to have a place to sit at some point when we eat. My bar stools are still on their way, so
Okay.
we might end up putting wheels on it so we can like pull it in and out.
I like
when
that.
we want to use it and when we don't.
Mhm.
But the entryway.
What happened to that chandelier that used to be here?
I actually still really like that chandelier. I just moved to my office.
And what was that chandelier? What did I call it?
I don't even know.
Intestine light.
I love intestine lights, so haters gonna hate. But it actually ended up working out because I feel like if we would have done any kind of chandelier in here,
Yeah.
you would have been hitting it.
You run into it, even though we're all 5'6" in this house. Okay, living room.
So we'll go to the living room next. So this is the living room. We
Okay.
basically painted everything white. And I feel like the best part of this house is literally the floors. This is luxury vinyl tile, believe it or not. And it wasn't actually what I originally picked out. What I originally picked out didn't end up being in stock at the very end. So I had to do a switcheroo, and I actually just picked this out online. I didn't even see it.
And you like it?
And I actually really, really like
Yeah.
it. So
You know what's really nice? Is my corgis camouflage the floor.
yeah,
So you
Winston's
can't see his hair.
So much better than our dark hardwood floors. But it's kind of scary because I cleaned the floors earlier today and it was disgusting. So
Ignorance is bliss.
ignorance is bliss. These are the Charlie Brown Christmas trees because unfortunately our giant Christmas tree does not fit.
Because our ceilings are too low.
We still have some things we're still in the works of getting the TV cords
Yep.
and all that fixed.
That's gonna go. We're gonna put a
And-
box up here and bring it up top.
We're also gonna get like Roman shades put in here, and those haven't come yet.
Okay.
And we're getting a new couch as well, so we just kind of moved over all
These are old couches from the old
furniture.
house.
But they actually do look good in here. But the couch that we're getting will be a lot bigger. It's gonna be like a big giant L
Sectional,
couch.
yeah.
Sectional with a chase lounge, so it'll just be a lot more seating. And then we'll probably center this my little wine cabinet. We'll probably center it and then do 2 little chairs or something like that.
Okay.
So it'll just give us more seating, but yeah, it works.
What's in that box?
Oh, that's Jacob's Christmas present.
What is it?
I'm not telling him what it is.
Okay.
And then actually another kind of cool little addition that got added was the tile around the fireplace. I actually really like it too. Supposedly it works, but we'll see if we actually ever use it. Because
Yep.
at our last house, we lived there for 5 years and we never used it.
Never used it. Okay, going forward. What's next?
So I will show you guys the kitchen
The
next.
kitchen.
So it might be the biggest transformation. But welcome to the kitchen.
The kitchen.
Where all magic happens. Where all the functional, where we eat functionally. And
Are you okay?
So this is the kitchen. So obviously, you guys remember it was pretty rough. So
I would call it ugly.
Yeah, it was pretty ugly. maybe crop that out. But we ended up doing like a two-tone kitchen, which I was a little apprehensive about only because I am like such an all-white kitchen girl. But I wanted to do something different and something that I normally wouldn't do. And you'll kind of see that throughout Clown House. It's definitely more, I incorporated more modern things than what I probably...
Pause. She called it Clown House. Remember how she told you wanted to call it Pineapple Palace? She already called it Clown House, so it stuck.
Yeah, it probably is.
Resume.
But I did want to incorporate a few more modern things than I maybe wouldn't have otherwise. And truth be told, the lower cabinets, the color is not really what I envisioned. Again, I just kind of picked it out online because we were on such a tight time crunch. But I actually like how it turned out. And I did do a little bit of an upgrade with the countertops. I really, really wanted to do this kind of like marble-esque look. And it's called Aspen Bianco. I think it's a quartz actually, for those of you that have been messaging me asking me about it. But I really like how it turned out. We did the gold tones and fixtures, which it's kind of a saga. I'm still not 100% happy with my light fixtures. I actually have a few more that are coming that I might end up swapping out.
Okay, news to me.
I know. I'm living in it and seeing what I like, and they're growing on me, but I'm thinking I might switch up.
Okay. What's that sign say?
Oh yeah, down clown. But, I do really like, all in all, how it turned out. The gold just definitely does give it kind of a modern, fun look. And like I said, I don't know if I would go quite this funky in our forever home that we're going to be building. So I wanted to do some of the fun, funky, trendy things in the kitchen. And then have a little coffee bar over here.
Okay.
And obviously this island is new. I mean, everything is new. They've replaced and gutted the whole thing, but the little coffee bar turned out cute. I actually ended up taking this upper. These are all the original cabinets. So this upper we actually added on from over here with the little open shelves.
Oh yeah.
And it's Jacob's drug cabinet.
Oh, drugs.
AKA F&X
Drugs.
cabinet. And it's got a nice little pantry, which is obviously like stuff full to the brim. I still need to organize that. It's kind of scary. Don't go in there.
Okay.
But that's kind of the kitchen. So we'll show you guys the bedrooms. Walk down the hallway. We did the LVT all throughout here.
Well, was those shoes previously like really small dogs and you kicked them and put your foot up their butt?
Don't hate. I love these. Step off. Haters gonna hate. So this is the bathroom. You can see in here, but it's kind of like the mood lighting. I like my little Edison bulb. So this is the bathroom. Again, kind of did some funkier things in here. I actually wasn't quite sold on the floors in the beginning, but I kind of really like how it did contrast with the little cabinet. And yeah, it's the bathroom.
Okay.
So it has a really cool little glow whenever you turn it off. And shower. Again, I'm not like super in love with I don't know, it's growing on me, but.
She doesn't like her granite she chose for the shower.
I'm not 100% happy with how this all coordinates together, but I'm learning to live with it. And it's just good because it's a good learning curve before we do next.
Okay, office or master bedroom?
Let's do my office.
Okay.
Where the magic really happens. So, this is my office.
Intestine
My
line.
favorite thing is the chandelier. I don't care what you say. I stinking love the chandelier. So it's from World Market for any of you that want to find it. I actually first ordered it in the large size, which is like way too large. It's like double that. So that obviously wasn't gonna work.
It's Winston's favorite seat to watch the mailman.
This is Winston's little seat. Yeah, office.
Because, it's not an office, so we don't have a mannequin in it.
Hey, this is some Kelly Heppner collection. You don't want to show this off just yet. But yeah, I need to figure out all my cord action here. But and we're getting a rug, so it's not like 100% done, but it's definitely 95%
Okay.
done. So my office.
Is that a good tasting ball?
And then this is the master bedroom.
Master bedroom.
Yep, this is it in all its glory. So
I hung those curtains myself with the help of my uncle.
Yeah.
Thank you, Kyle.
Drilling into cinder block is a little bit more challenging than you would think. We'll just say that.
Okay, so master bedroom, and Winston
give him
Winston likes to look at the squirrels out that window. It's his favorite pastime.
Step back. You need to really Can you see? Can you get all of it in?
Master bedroom. Hey, where'd that plane come from?
I don't want to talk about it.
I heard you stole it from somebody a while ago.
Steal it from anybody.
Okay. Biggest room in the house, our closet.
Yep. So we put the washer and dryer. For those of you that remember the laundry room,
It was pretty bad.
we had to rip that whole thing off. And so the alternative was to make this bedroom, it was really a giant bedroom before.
Yep.
So we basically made half of it a big walk-in closet and / laundry room. And let me tell you, it's been very convenient.
Yeah.
Having the
washer and dryer in here.
In the closet.
Yeah,
So,
it has been pretty nice. If you guys are wondering, where does your laundry room go to now that you destroyed it? It can be seen. Out there. It's smoking still. Burning to the ground.
yeah. So we'll show you guys the back
Back.
patio. So
Going through the house.
follow me.
Going through the house. I'm bored in the house and I'm in the house bored.
Okay. Going outside. So, the patio.
Concrete patio. Obviously this didn't exist before.
Hot tub.
Hot tubs
Lots
installed.
of landscaping to come out here this
I think your
spring.
landscape lawn looks great.
We've got our burning pile that's been burning for 2 weeks. We're a little unsure about.
And you're gonna put a pergola up here?
Yeah, I'm thinking I want to do a big giant pergola and have wisteria planted.
I have no idea what that is. Sounds pretty mysterious though.
Winston's running away again.
There's a rat over there. He wants to go eat it.
Hey, Winston, come here. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed our tour. Comment and let us know what you think. For those of you that said demolish, what are you thinking now?
Yeah, if you just said demolish, screw you.
I mean, I probably was thinking demolish most of the time. So hold on, I need to really check my back.
And then we'll show the barn later. Obviously, as we know, the barn's getting siding put up, and it's right back there.
And it's new location.
And it's a new location, because as we recall, the old location was right there.
So,
All right, guys. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys later.
bye.
Bye.